Okay, so the next part is to actually set some controls up. So I've loaded up Xplane. I've already previously blanked out all my controls as in the first video, and I'm going to set some new controls. So let's first set the holding the brakes at regular effort and the parking brake, and these will be set on two different joysticks. So we'll hold the brakes with the trigger on the X55, and we'll set the parking brake with a toggle switch on the throttle of the X55. So we've got joystick equipment, buttons in advance, we push the trigger, and we then go to flight controls, and this is a hold. So hold brakes regular. We then push a toggle on the throttle. You see the joystick number changes here, and we can go to flight controls, and this will be toggle brakes max, which is there. One thing to note is this joystick number. You can see when I toggle this, it's 0, 1 and 8. Just remember the first number, the 0, and again with that's on the throttle, and on the joystick you'll see it's 1 or 161. You need to remember this number. It'll become more apparent in the next part. Now let's just say we want to assign some custom commands. So we'll use the joystick, and we'll say this button here, we'll assign a custom command. So the C208 toggle, and let's toggle the flight director on and open that. Another button, so this one, and we can have the avionics going on and off, and we'll do one more, and we'll have that as the ignition going on and off. Okay, so now we'll move on to the throttle, and we'll program some custom commands on the throttle. So we'll do the throttle, we'll toggle lights, we'll put landing lights, and then on the other one we'll go taxi light, and then on another toggle we'll have beacon light, and then another toggle nav lights, and then the last toggle strobe lights and panel lights. So that was a whole load of custom commands there we programmed. So you can see that we've got the parking brake coming on or off and on, which is a normal Xplane command. You can just see we're starting to move here, and then you can see when I pull the trigger the brakes are applied, and then put the parking brake on. Now what I'll also do is, because I had no axes assigned, so we'll assign an axis. So we'll go in there, we'll just assign the 1 just to show how it's done. Joystick equipment, so we'll go axis, and there's my joystick moving, so that'll be roll, and there's pitch, and there's yaw. So there we go, we've got them 3 axes. We'll do the other ones just for the sake, and we'll have this one is throttle, and this one as prop, and we'll have this one is mixture. And you can see the prop has to be reversed. Okay, so they've set some axes there. There we go. So we can see I'm controlling these. Okay, so now that that's done and we've set some default controls and some custom controls, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quit the sim and reload the sim, and I'll see you back in part 3.